Hello students, welcome to Praishuju YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, intelligent test, and then topic is series, subtopic is wrong terms. So in this video we are going to cover the exercise 3.4 which is available in our Navneet digest. So this is available on page number 140. So before going to solve the exercise, we are going to overview for the model questions model questions which are available on page number 139. So there are total 5 questions are there. Okay, so question number 1 is find out the wrong term in a given series. So there are 73, then 67, then 62, 55, 49, 43. So there is a logic. After the first number, the second number is decreases by the 6. So after second, third number is decreases by the 6, like this one. So there is a always be minus 6 is there reduction, okay, from left to the right side. But in this one, the 62 is a something different terms or which is not fit for the series. Okay, so that's why 62 means option number 3 is a correctly. Now, question number 2, 89, then 79, then 69, 59, 29, and 19. So if you see, all are the in descending order, okay, from left to the right, and 69 is a not a prime number, but all are the prime number. So that's why 69 means option number 2 is a correct. Question number 3, 21, 22, 29, 48, 75, and 110. So here logic after the first means there is the digit, means suppose there is a 21, so first digit and the second digit means we can say the tens digit and the unit place digit, so that multiplication has to added with that number. Okay, so means 21 has to added with 2 multiplied by 1 means 2, then we are getting the 23. So in a 23, 2 and 3 is there, these are the two digits, so multiplication of this two digit is 2 multiplied by 3 in a 23. So like this one, so all these digits has to add, but 47, so 29 plus 2 multiplied by 9 means 18, so 18 has to add in a 29, so we are getting the 47, and 47 means 4 multiplied by 7 means 28, and after 28 added in 47 we are getting 75, means that is a correctly in series. So 47 should be there instead of 48, and so 48 is a different terms, means option number 2 here correctly. Now question number 4, 14, then 18, then 26, 38, 62, and 76. So this is also the same, so multiplication of the two digits, okay, and that has to be added. So as per this one, like a same previous questions, so there is a 76 should be different because 74 should be there instead of the 76, and 76 is a given in option number 3. Now question number 5, 11, then 27, then 51, 83, 102, 171. So if we are seeing everything are the square number plus 2, means 3 square plus 2, 11, 5 square plus 2, 27, then 7 square plus 2, 51. Like this one, all are the odd numbers, means 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11, and then 13. So but here instead of the 11 there is given the 10 square plus 2 means 102, so 102 is a different one, so there should be 123. So this is given in option number 4. Now we are going to solve the exercise 3.4 which is available on page number 140. So there are the 11, then 17, then 23, 31, and 37. These are the numbers are given. So in this one, if you see, these are all the prime numbers in ascending order. Okay, so but there is a one means every after the every prime number, the one number is missing, means after 11 there is a 13 is a prime number, and after 13 there is a 17, but 13 is missing, so 17, and then 19 is missing, then 23, so after the 23, 29 is missing, then 31 is here, so 31, and then 37 should be missing, and then instead of this 37 there should be 41. So this 37 is a wrong term, it should be hidden, or we can say the missing, and there should be the 41. So 37 is given in option number 2. Now question number 2, 8, then 15, 8, then 15, then 24, then 37, and then 48. So here, so 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1. So like this one, 5 square minus 1. So here 6 square, here actually should be minus 1, means here 35 should be there, but 37 comes. And here 7 square minus 1 means 48 is correct. So 37 is a different terms, and 37 is given in option number 3. Now question number 3, 5, then 8, then 14, then 24, then 35, and then 50. So here the logic is, here the difference is 3, and then after the here the 6 difference, and then here the difference is should be 9, because 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and then 9, then again after this one the 12 should be there, and the 15, means 3 stable should be there maintaining. But here 14 plus 9 means 23 should be there, okay, but here 24 comes. So that's why this 24 is a different term, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 4, so 5 by 12, then 6 by 10, 5 by 12, then 6 by 10, then 8 by 8, then 10 by 6, and then 12 by 4. So if you are seeing the denominator is a descending order, means every time there is a minus 2, okay, here also minus 2, here also minus 2, here also minus 2, and the numerator is here actually after the 5 every numerator is increases by 2, means plus 2, here also plus 2, here also plus 2, means this 5 should be replaced with the 4, but this 5 is not, 4 is not there, so this term is differently 5 by 12, and this is given in option number 1. So for the question number 4, option number 1 is the correct. Now question number 5, so there is a 147, 147, then 346, then 545, then 746, and 943. So if we are seeing 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, all are the odd terms. After this one, the 7, 6, 5, 6, and 3, means the unit place are getting reduced from 7, 6, 5, but here again the 6 comes, means this is the something different, means suppose here 4 should be there, and then 3, and the middle term is 4, 4, 4, it's a fixed number, so this term is a different, means 746, this is a different, and this is given in option number 3. In question number 6, if you are seeing there is a circle, and then S, R, P, and Q, these alphabets are maintained. But from the second figure, or we can say the second circle, if you see, all are rotating, means from the one quadrant to the another quadrant. So there are the 4 quadrants. So all are moving in a clockwise, okay, but only in a first figure that are the different. From second, third, fourth, and fifth figure, all are moving, or we can say rotating in clockwise direction. So the first one is the different one, and that is given in option number 4. So for question number 6, option number 4 is a correct. Now question number 7, I'm just writing here. So 2, then 14, then 34, then 79, then 98, and 142. So here 2 square minus 2, so it will come the 2. So here like this one, 4 square 16 minus 2, 14 comes. So here 6 square minus 2 means 34. So here 8 square minus 2, sorry, minus 2 means here actually 62 comes, but here 79 gives, means it's a 9 square minus 2, but it should be 8, because 2, 4, 6 are the even. So like this one, here should be the 8, means even, okay, but there is the taken 9, means odd term is taken. So after this one, the 10 square means 100 minus 2, 98 comes, okay, this is correctly as per this sequence, okay. So 79 is a different one, and this is given in option number 2. So for question number 7, option number 2 is the correctly. Question number 8, so 4, then 16, then 36, after this one 64, 81, and 144. So this is the square of the 2, this is a 4 square, this is 6 square, and this is 8 square, this is 9 square, and this is 12 square. So if you see, all are the even number, only 9 is a odd number. Okay, so actually there should be the 10 square, because 2 plus 2 4, then 6, then 8, then 10 should be there, but here 9 taken. So this 81 is a different one, and this is given in option number 4. So for question number 8, option number 4 is the correct. Now question number 9, 0, then 9, then 26, 65, 126, then 217. So here the logic is, there is a cubical numbers, means we can say the cubical number plus 1. Here plus 1 means 2 cubic plus 1, but here 1 cubic is 1, minus 1 means 0. Again here 3 cube is 27, minus 1 means here minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, here plus 1. Okay, means here 4 cube plus 1. Now here 5 cube plus 1 taken, actually here minus 1 should be there, means 124 should be there. Okay, instead of the 6, 4 should be there, means this term is different. And here 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube is 216, plus 1 means 217. So this is correctly. So this 126 is a different one, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 10. So all are the symbols of the operations, mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So here the logic is, all are the, means from the right side, means fourth one is moved to the left side. Okay, and all the 3 are moving toward the right side, but in a third term, that is a missing. So third term is given in option number 3. So it's very simple, just the symbol, or we can say the signs, are moving from right end to the left end. Okay, one by one only, and other are just shifting toward the right. Question number 11. There are the some expressions are given, means 2 multiplied by 2, after that one, after the bracket there is a plus 1, means 2 multiplied by 2 is a 4, plus 1 is a 5. Okay, in a second term 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6, and plus 4 means 10, and then 5 multiplied by 3 is a 15, plus 1 means 16. After this one, 7 multiplied by 2 is a 14, plus 6 means 20, and then 6 multiplied by 4 is a 24, and then after the bracket plus 1 means 25. So all are then 5 multiples. Okay, but only the 16 is not, so here should be the 15. Okay, so 16 is a different, so means this term means 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, after the bracket plus 1, this is a different one, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 12. So 5, then 10, then 15, then 21, and 28. So here the 5 is different because all are the triangular numbers. So 5 is different, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 13. There are the Roman numbers. So if you write down the all Roman numbers in international numbers, so that is a 6, then 9, then 12, then 16, and then 18. So these are the in a 3 multiples. Okay, means 3 2s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 4s are. So here should be the 15, means 3 5s are, and then 6 3 6s are. So 16 is a different, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 14. 125, then 64, then 36, then 8, and then 1. So here, so 1 is a cubicle of the 1, then 2 cubicle, means 1 cube, here the 1, then 2 cube is 8, then here actually 3 cube, means 27 should be there. Here 4 cube is a 64, and here 5 cube is a 125. These are the correctly. So this 36 should be replaced by 27, means 36 is a different one, and this is given in option number 3. Question number 15. So 2 and 3, 2 dash 3, then 5 dash 7, then 11 minus dash 13. These are not the minus sign, these are the dash, or we can say them like a groupings. Okay, so here 17 dash 19, then 29 dash 31. So here if you see, all are the twin prime numbers. Okay, but 2 and 3 are not a twin prime number. 2 dash 3 is a different one. This is given in option number 4. Question number 16. Find the wrong term from the given number series. So here 26, then 37, then here 50, then 63, then 86 and 119. So here in between after 26 there is a prime number of the 11 is added, means then we are getting the 37. After this one, so 13 is added, means after the 11 consecutive prime number is 13, and then after the 37 there is a 17 should be added, and then after the 17 19 should be, and after the 19 there is a 23 should be added. But if you add all this one, we are getting the different one, means 63. So here actually 67 should be there. So this 63 is a given in option number 3 for question number 16. Now question number 17, find the odd term of the given number series. So 3, then 11, then 27, 57, then 123 and 251. So here the difference is 8, here the difference is 16, here the difference should be 32, means 8 multiplied by 2 here. So after this again the doubles of this one, means 8 double is 16, then 16 double is 32, 32's double is a 64. So double of this 64 means 128. So this is the correct difference, but here these 32 and 64 are not matching because of this 57. So 57 is given in option number 2. Now question number 18. So if you see 85, then 102, then 119, then 135, 153. So all these are the in a 17 table, means 17 5s are, 17 5s are, then 17 here 6s are, then 17 here the 7s are, and here 17 here 9s are. So here should be 17 multiplied by 8s are, but here 135 is given, which is incorrectly. So that's why this 135 is given in option number 4. That option is a correctly. Now question number 19, 220, then 108, then 52, then 24, then 12, and then 3. So these are the descending order, but descending means after this 220 make it the half, or we can say divided by 2 and then subtracted by 2. This is the logic. Then we can get it the 108. So 108 is divided by 2 means 54 and minus 2, then we are getting the 52. So like this one, so 24 we are getting. So this one is the divided by 2 minus 2 means 26 minus 2 24. So after this one, so divided by 2 means 12 and minus 2 means there should be the 10, but 12 comes, and 10 divided by 2 means 5 and minus 2 means 3. This is the correctly. So this 12 is the different one, and this 12 is given in option number 1. Now question number 20, 38, then 40, then 43, then 48, 54, and then 66. So here all are added with a prime numbers from the 2 to consecutively. Okay, so from the 2, 3, 5, 7, like this one are the consecutive, or we can say successively prime numbers are added. So here the 2, then here 3, then here 5, here the 7, and here also the 11. But if you see the 54 means after this one, here actually 55 should be there. Okay, so 55 plus 11 66 this comes. So instead of the 54 there should be the 55. So 54 is a different one, and this is given in option number 1. Thank you.